How to check battery health on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Battery. You will then be taken to the Battery Settings page. On this page, you can view your battery percentage, battery health, and manage other battery settings as well. You can also view the battery usage by app below. Now, go to Battery Health as shown. Over here, you can view your battery health, maximum battery capacity, cycle count, manufacture date and first use date. If the battery health is normal, this means that the phone battery is performing as expected. Following these steps, you can easily check battery health on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.